TCL unveils 2025 home theater lineup with QM8K TV, party speakers, and more. TCL's 2025 lineup introduces innovative TVs and audio products, enhancing the home theater experience. Key offerings include the QM8K QD Mini-LED TV, Q65H Soundbar, and debut party speakers, TP200K and TP300K. The QM8K, TCL's 2025 flagship TV, airs the premiere of Crystal Glow WHV-A panel, offering a 40% wider color angle and minimal distortion, alongside a zero-border design. The enhanced Halo control system includes a high-energy LED chip and micro-OD tech for superior brightness and clarity. Smart home compatibility extends to Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Sizes range from 65 inches to 98 inches, catering to diverse preferences. TCL's 2025 audio lineup enhances immersion with the Q65H Soundbar, offering 5.1-channel Dolby Atmos and a wireless subwoofer for deep bass. The TP200K and TP300K party speakers debut with high wattage, IPX4 water resistance, 12-hour battery, and 5 lighting effects. TCL, in collaboration with Dolby, introduces Dolby Atmos Flex Connect in its 2025 Precise Dimming Series TVs, including the QM8K, QM7K, and QM6K. Launching in summer 2025, the Z100 speaker works seamlessly with TCL's Flex Connect TVs, enabling up to 4 speakers for a full surround experience.
Go to GearBrain for more information.